Good morning, good afternoon, good evening guys, wherever you are. It's beautiful world whenever you're watching this video. Welcome to the Bitcoin family channel guys. For the newcomers, my name is Didi. In today's video, again talking about some really cool news, talking about 3 Bitcoin charts, trading tip, travel tip and all the other stuff guys. A really cool packed video with all cool stuff here. Walking through the garden of the hotel that I'm staying in Singapore. Yes, of course, with a beautiful view and of all with beautiful waterfalls. Guys, let's jump into the news first because it's huge news. The news is insane big for Bitcoin guys. Let's quickly jump into it. Bam. The news is very strange guys. The news is that now the biggest bank of Germany, the German Deutsche Bank, it's $1.3 trillion big, is now starting to offer custodial service for crypto, mainly Bitcoin and Ethereum probably, to all their institutional clients. So the Deutsche Bank, 1.3 trillion US dollar big, starts to get involved with Bitcoin. It's offering Bitcoin services now to their clients. All the banks will follow guys, because if the German bank will do that, the biggest one, all the other big ones will do it as well guys. Huge news for the adoption for Bitcoin, at least for the ones wearing suits, you know, the institutional investors that need a bank to buy Bitcoin. For all the others, OTC still the most non-KYC safe way in my honest opinion, but let's see. I know that a lot of people have the German bank, they have Deutsche Bank, so they probably will be starting to buy Bitcoin now as well. Big news out there. That was the news for today. Bam. So after the news guys, let's see where Bitcoin is at the moment. So let's jump into the charts to look where we are with the price and what we can expect for the upcoming week guys. Now quickly jump into the charts. Bam. The first chart for today guys is of course that Gaussian channel I've been talking about the last couple of weeks again. I told you when we touch that midline we need a bouncing candle back to the top of the Gaussian channel to try and break that out of that channel again. That's exactly what we are seeing playing out guys. We touched that midline beautifully there with a wick. We have now this beautiful green candle that will close in 3 days. In 3 days we need to close this candle body higher than the wick of the previous candle, then all is good. Then the next candle will start to open and that will try to again break the top of the Gaussian channel around 27,900ish by then. And if we don't break it, yeah, we can still fall down again, but if we break it, I can see a beautiful move in the next coming weeks again to the 30k level guys. Now that's a beautiful chart. I have some more amazing charts over here. For example, this is the Bitcoin net realized profit loss guys. We can see these beautiful areas where we see these green peaks. That is of course the parts where the bull run happens. That's when the net realized profits dominate during the uptrend. So like when Bitcoin goes up in price, the net realized profits are dominating. During the bear markets we can see that net realized losses dominate during the downtrend. So that's the red areas on this chart. Now we just came out a huge red area, bigger red area, bigger losses than ever before. After that we went into this new green area and now we have this small red wick again, as you see completely to the right of the chart. It is now normally now Bitcoin will again start to go into this green area slowly all the way up to the halving in April 2024, and from then again go into a bull market where this green area, so the net realized profits, will become bigger and bigger and bigger. And then when we reach a top with these net realized profits, you also need to realize we will fall down again into this red area. Just pause the video and check the chart for yourself if you want to have more data. Now this chart is the net unrealized profit loss by cohort. So same kind of picture. You can see the short-term holler NUPL, you can see the cycle tops, that's mostly 1 times the NUPL. We can see the cycle lows, that's when we are lower than 0 guys. So just it's a very complicated chart that you need to analyze for yourself, so you need to pause this video. But if you want to look at a simple way, every time when we see these blue areas in the bottom of the chart, that's when you should be buying Bitcoin. When we are in that blue area, that's the coldest part, that's the part where the bear market is fully on, you should be buying Bitcoin. Yes, at the moment we already left that blue part, but we didn't go up that high yet. So yes, it's still an amazing moment to buy Bitcoin at the moment. Believe me, we will go again into a beautiful rise of the price, and in the end see this beautiful orange and even red colors on this chart. And that's the moment you should be selling. You shouldn't be selling now. You should be selling when you see these yellowish, oranges, red areas on the chart again, on the bottom part of the chart I'm talking about. Pause the video and analyze this chart. It's full with information. Just take your time. I know I'm talking quickly, so I don't have the time because I'm doing a beautiful event over here, but please pause the video and check these charts for yourself as well. Do your own research. Then we have this beautiful chart, the MVRV, that I've been tracking already for years. Also here, guys, we bottomed out and we now just came above the 1 year simple moving average, that blue line. Look at the bottom part. You have the orange line, that's the MVRV ratio, and you have the blue line, that's the MVRV 1 year moving average. Every time when that orange line breaks above that blue line, that is the start of the bull market. Just look back to 2013 over there. The orange price went, the orange line went above the blue line at that green arrow, start of the bull market. The moment we cross down below that blue line again, start of the bear market. Look to 2017. In 2016, we crossed above that blue line, start of the bull market. In 2018, we fell down below that blue line, start of the bear market. Then again, that small run in 2019, up to 14K, and back again to the bottom because of the COVID crash. And then again, guys, in 2020, we crossed above that blue line, beautiful bull market run, and the moment we crossed down below that blue line with the orange line, we again went into a bear market. Now the important part of the video now is that you see that at the moment we again crossed above that blue line. We are above the blue line. This means we are going to go into a bull run. You should be buying now. We almost retested the blue line. These are the perfect opportunities for you to buy Bitcoin, guys. That were all the charts for today. After these amazing charts, guys, I'm going to give you the trading tip for today. The trading for today is very simple. Profit is profit. Take profit when you can take profit. Don't be too greedy. Don't wait to get more profit. If you can take a nice profit over there because you had your trade set up well done, then take some profits. It's not bad to take profit. You will feel bad if you don't take profit and then the price will drop again. Do you know that feeling? You had that feeling many times before that the price dropped again. Like, shit, I should have taken profit. You will never feel bad when you take your profit. So for me, it's very simple. If there is profit, if it's 10% or 15%, then I think it's beautiful profit, I will take the profit. There will always be a new train passing by. And I said train, I could also say trade. But there will also always be a new trade, guys. So if you're in profit, take some profit. Check these beautiful views, guys. Singapore. So again, profit isn't bad, profit is good. Take your profits. Trading tip of today. Bam. Talking about profit, guys, that brings me to a beautiful life advice for today, guys. The life advice for today is don't focus on making an income or making profit. The more important part to focus on is making an impact. Yes, you can earn money. Yes, you can make an income. Yes, you can make profit. Everyone can do it. But making an impact on the world, on yourself, and on others is way more important and way more difficult. So try to focus on making that impact instead of only making an income and profit. That is the life advice for today, guys. Make an impact. Bam. The travel tip for today is always book a hotel that makes you wow. There are so many beautiful hotels, there's so many beautiful places in the world. I always try to search these hotels that have some extra special to them. Like this hotel, I'm walking now through the hotel's garden in the middle of a city, a huge city, Singapore. Check how big this hotel is. Look, it's a beautiful hotel. Now we are nearing this over here. So that brings me to the travel tip of today. Try to book hotels that will make you be amazed. And if you book that hotel, go into these paths that you don't know what there is and discover what there is. You could walk into something very beautiful. Oh, the sound is now changing. Whoa. You could walk into a hidden waterfall. Look how amazing. In this hotel here, man. This is the Pickering Park Royale. Beautiful. Park Royale Collection Pickering, it's called. And you can walk all over the place in this garden and make, for example, a video or just enjoy all the beautiful views instead of making a video. But that's the travel tip for today. When you book a hotel, try to book a hotel that really gives you this feeling of like, wow. Because that will beautifully contribute to the start of your holiday or the happiness you will have while visiting a hotel. Always book the same hotel, you will never discover new places, guys. Beautiful hotel here. We are here with more than 100 Bybit affiliates in this hotel. There's going to be a lot of affiliates today that I'm going to meet at breakfast, lunch, dinner and all that stuff, guys. But I will keep you up to date about that because we are having a gala dinner tonight in a beautiful place in Sentosa Island. But I will keep you up to date about that through Instagram and through a video tomorrow. Bam! I should now jump into the question of today, guys, but there was no really nice question yesterday, so we'll skip that one. Yes, you need to ask questions. Whenever you have a question that you want me to respond to in these videos, you need to ask them down below this video. So please leave a comment down below this video with your questions so I can fill it up, yes, tomorrow again in the new video. I would love to answer your questions. It needs to be an interactive video where you ask me questions and I will give you the answers in the video the next day. So, I hope you really enjoyed the rest of the video, guys. If you did enjoy the video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell and leave a comment. What do you think about Singapore? What do you think about the charts? What do you think about everything else I talked about? Let me know down below. And if you want to trade, guys, use the links down below my videos. Just sign up to Bybit. They have a beautiful new bonus system over there. So if you want to check that out, go down below, click the link to Bybit and you will find out what they have to offer for you guys. Thanks for watching and I wish you an amazing day and I see you tomorrow again. Bam!